Farquharson's Textbook of Operative General Surgery, 10th edition by M. Farquharson, J. Hollingshead, and B. Moran. Features: comprehensive coverage of all aspects of operative general surgery. Over 600 full-color illustrations aid understanding. Updated to reflect current practice and procedures. Consistency of style across chapters to enhance readability. Expert contributors and advisors for specialist chapters. 60 years after its first publication, Farquharson's Textbook of Operative General Surgery remains firmly established as a classic textbook for general surgeons throughout the world, whether they are just embarking on training or are well established in their careers. This 10th edition has been fully revised and updated, while retaining the core philosophy that has ensured its popularity over 6 decades, to provide an authoritative guide to operative surgery for the general surgeon in a manageable single volume. Farquharson's Textbook of Operative General Surgery covers not only basic techniques for the junior trainee but also the common operations in the general surgical subspecialties that are likely to be encountered during higher surgical training. In addition, the book describes procedures for the general surgeon in a remote hospital, who may have to operate outside his or her specialty and offer a limited service in orthopedics, neurosurgery, urology, or obstetrics. Glossary. Textbook. Operative. Surgery. Surgeon. Embark. Career. Philosophy. Decade. Orthopedics or orthopedics. Neurosurgery. Urology. Obstetrics.
Textbook. Textbook.
A textbook is a book that contains detailed information about a subject for people who are studying that subject. A textbook is a book that provides reading and exercises for a school or college course.
Operative. Operative.
Operative is an adjective relating to a medical operation.
Surgery. Surgery.
Surgery is the treatment of injuries or diseases in people or animals by cutting open the body and removing or repairing the damaged part.
Surgeon. Surgeon.
A surgeon is a doctor who is specially trained to perform medical operations.
Embark. Embark.
The verb embark means to go onto a ship. The verb embark means to go on a ship or an aircraft. The verb embark refers to going on a ship or an aircraft.
Career. Career.
A career is the job or series of jobs that you do during your working life, especially if you continue to get better jobs and earn more money. A career is a job for which you are trained and in which it is possible to advance during your working life, so that you get greater responsibility and earn more money.
Philosophy. Philosophy.
Philosophy is the use of reason in understanding such things as the nature of the real world and its existence, the use and limits of knowledge, and the principles of moral judgment.
Decade. Decade.
A decade is a period of 10 years, especially a period such as 2010 to 2019.
Orthopedics. Orthopedics.
Orthopedics is the treatment or study of bones that have not grown correctly or that have been damaged.
Neurosurgery. Neurosurgery.
Neurosurgery means operations on any part of the nervous system, including the brain, spinal cord, and individual nerves.
Urology. Urology.
Urology is the area of medicine concerned with the parts of the body that produce and carry urine.
Obstetrics. Obstetrics.
Obstetrics is the area of medicine that deals with pregnancy and the birth of babies. Farquharson's Textbook of Operative General Surgery, 10th edition, is an essential reference for surgeons and surgical trainees. The book provides comprehensive coverage of surgical procedures, with a focus on the practical aspects of surgery. The authors, M. Farquharson, J. Hollingshead, and B. Moran, bring their extensive experience in the field to offer readers a clear and concise guide to operative general surgery. The textbook is organized into 3 main sections: preoperative care, operative procedures, and postoperative care. Each section is further divided into chapters that cover specific surgical procedures in detail, such as gastrointestinal, vascular, and urological surgeries. The text is complemented by high-quality illustrations and photographs, which help clarify complex surgical techniques. The 10th edition of Farquharson's Textbook of Operative General Surgery features updated content and new chapters on topics such as robotic surgery and laparoscopic techniques. The book also includes the latest evidence-based practices and guidelines, making it an indispensable resource for surgeons seeking to improve patient outcomes. Overall, Farquharson's Textbook of Operative General Surgery, 10th edition, is an authoritative and practical guide for surgeons and surgical trainees seeking to improve their knowledge and skills in operative general surgery.
Disclaimer.
This content is mainly for the purpose of learning and expanding your English vocabulary. We are learning American English. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Thank you for considering subscribing to see more exciting videos.